Good morning, everyone. My name is Bhargavi. I am from CSCB. Today, my topic is about types of attributes. Now, let us see the introduction. Here we have relational query. It is a relational query language. It is a powerful tool for managing data in databases. It allows user to retrieve and manipulate data using a variety of commands and functions. One of the key components of relation query language is attributes, which are used to define the characteristics of data stored in database. Attributes can be classified into several different types, each with its own unique properties and users. Understanding these different types of attributes is essential for any working with database of developing applications that rely on them. Now, let us go one by one. Here we have introduction, simple attributes, composite attributes, single valued and multi-valued attributes, derived attributes, and key attributes. Now let us go to simple attributes. The most common, the most basic type of attribute is simple attribute, which represents a single value for a given entity. For example, a customer's name or address would be represented by a simple attribute in a database. Simple attributes are typically atomic, meaning they cannot be further broken down into smaller components. In addition to being atomic, simple attributes must be single valued, meaning they only contain one value at a time. This is important because it ensures that each attribute corresponds to a unique characteristics of an entity rather than a combination of multiple characters. Now, let us go to composite attribute. Composite attributes are made up of multiple simple attributes, which are combined to represent a complex characteristics of an entity. For example, a customer's address might be represented as a composite attribute, consisting of multiple simple attributes such as street, city, state, and zip code. As we know that the address contain all these above things, and we can have door number, street, city, state, etc. Now, composite attributes are useful for representing complex data structures in a database. They allow for more granular control over the data stored in a database, making it easier to retrieve and manipulate specific pieces of information. Now, let us go to single valued and multi-valued attributes. As their name suggests, single valued attributes can only contain a single value at a time, while multi-valued attributes can contain multiple values. For example, a customer might have multiple phone numbers, each of which would be represented as a separate value in a multi-valued attribute. Single value attribute are the most common type of attribute in relational query, but multi-valued attributes are also important for representing complex data structures. They allow for more flexibility in the way data is stored and retrieved from a database. These all are about single valued, multi-valued attributes. Now, let us go to derived attributes. These derived attributes are attributes that are calculated based on other attributes in a database. For example, a customer's age might be derived from their date of birth, or a product's price might be derived from its cost and markup percentage. Derived attributes are useful for performing calculations and generating new information based on existing data. In a database, they can also help to ensure data consistency and accuracy, automatically updating values based on changes to other attributes. And this is about derived attributes. And finally, coming to key attributes. Key attributes are used